Your hand doesn't go higher than 10K here. It's stupid, I know. It's like they bamboozle you. I have free play in a machine. I'm short 6 cents, so we're gonna have to make 6 cents to do a $5 bet. We start off with 10. Alright, wish me luck. Yay, we got our 6 cents. Alright, let's go. We'll do $5 and $7 bets. Oh, I'm so dumb. I gotta work my way up to 7. Alright, we can do it. Ooh, okay, see? Told you. Let's go. I will take a mini. $5. Oh, there's my mini right there. Thank you. And bam. Oh, I said it too late. It didn't happen because I said it too late. Bam! Hey, not bad. Couple spins in, free play. Let's go. Nice. Alright, let's continue to your backup spins and then 750. Oh. What am I doing? I'm supposed to do 3 backup spins. Oh well, let's just keep going. Come on. You have the wiles in the wrong places. $11, really? You made all that sound for $11. Come on, let's hit on a 750 bet. One more. Jerk, man. Okay. Come on. Can I get another bonus, please? And thank you. I have a couple spins left for free play. I'm gonna do, okay, this is my last spin. And that's it. That's what I got with my free play. $4.94 in, $2.66 out, 14 cents. Not bad. Alright, so I'm just gonna go down to 2 for you guys. You guys can watch me play, go down to 2 really. One of the buttons is jammed. The third one. Come on, 2 more. Come on, one more. Oh no. That was on $1.25 too. I thought I had it. What a jerk. One more. Come on, come on. It's messing with me. Come on, do it, do it. Just playing with my emotions. I'll do one more 3. And that's it. Cash out. Alright, I came back because I didn't want to give up my seat and somebody steal my machine to when I cash out. So let's just do another 100, I guess. Hopefully we do better on a penny than Come on. Can I get a Taj Mahal bonus? Oh. Not being very nice to me. One more. I feel like cashing out right now and just leaving. Really? I'll do one more round and then I'm gonna switch to 2 cent. What's the point of going to 2 cent? Let's see, hold on. Let's just switch anyways. Alright, last spin at $1. That's it, man. That's it. Cash out. Alright, sorry guys. The session sucked, but it's reality. Alright.